Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am grilling fish fillets.
I am washing fruits and vegetables.
I am washing fruit and vegetables.
I am scrambling eggs.
I am scrambling eggs.
I am picking fresh herbs.
I am picking fresh herbs.
I am boiling water.
I am boiling water.
I am licking chocolate cream.
I am licking chocolate cream.
I am draining cooked pasta.
I am draining cooked pasta.
I am pinching salt into soup.
I am pinching salt into soup.
I am rolling out dough.
I am rolling out dough.
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs.
I am washing hands.
I am washing hands.
I am slicing cake.
I am slicing cake.
I am crushing garlic.
I am crushing garlic.
I am mixing a salad with various greens.
I am mixing a salad with various greens.
I am marinating steak.
I am marinating steak.
I am slicing tomatoes.
I am slicing tomatoes.
I am squeezing lemon juice.
I am squeezing lemon juice.
I am spreading butter.
I am spreading butter.
I am grilling chicken.
I am grilling chicken.
I am cracking eggs.
I am cracking eggs.
I am toasting bread.
I am toasting bread.
I am carving turkey.
I am carving turkey.
I am chopping vegetables.
I am chopping vegetables.
I am cutting carrots.
I am cutting carrots.
I am adding sugar to tea.
I am adding sugar to tea.
I am filling jars.
I am filling jars.
I am roasting vegetables.
I am roasting vegetables.
I am peeling oranges.
I am peeling oranges.
I am pouring milk.
I am pouring milk.
I am melting chocolate.
I am melting chocolate.
I am dipping potatoes.
I am dipping potatoes.
I am peeling the banana for my snack.
I am peeling the banana for my snack.
I am baking the bread in the oven.
I am baking the bread in the oven.
I am frying the chicken in the pan. I am frying the chicken in the pan. I am packing the leftovers in containers.
I am packing the leftovers in containers.
I am enjoying the meal I made.
I am enjoying the meal I made. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it. Like, comment,